If the 540 million of youth work with the spirit, I can do it, we can do it, and India can do it, nothing can stop the development of India. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak. Myself, Aradhya Pandey, student of class 10. And today I'm standing here to deliver a speech on the wonderful topic Viksit Bharat 2047. Imagine the image of Viksit Bharat 2047. As India is on the way of development, India is on the way of Viksit Bharat, India is developing in several areas like education, economy and health. India is the third largest economic country, third largest educational country, and out of 165 countries, India is on 66th position in health. India is a vast country known for its agriculture and its culture. In development of India, but the question is our generation also face the same problems which we are facing, also have the same question, Viksit Bharat? As I'm leaving this question on your opinion, we, the youth, are the future of our country. What we think today, we will do tomorrow. That's why it's important to understand how our country works and how we can make it better. We are living in the era in which a packet of cigarette is sold freely, but a packet of pad is sold in a black polythene. We are living in the era in which we are buying a 200cc of bike in the place of 100 or 90cc of cycle. We are living in the era in which women respect is about 0%. We are living in the era in which we are polluting the air but not finding the solution of the pollution. As per my opinion, we should not wait for others to make a change. We should be the change. We should be the change. Let us promise to be citizens who work wisely, act honestly, and lead the country toward progress. We cannot build our future for our youth, but we can build our youth for our future. As per the limits of the time, I want to end this speech with a short poem. किस्मत कितनी ही रोशन हो, मेहनत की आग में जलना जरूरी है। किस्मत कितनी ही रोशन हो, मेहनत की आग में जलना जरूरी है। मंजिल कितनी ही पास हो, कुछ कदम और चलना जरूरी है। कुछ कदम और चलना जरूरी है। धन्यवाद।